Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Back again with another video, and if you're new to my channel, this is Keerthi Kumar. I'm a bridal makeup artist, a YouTuber and a blogger. So yeah, I'm back again with another video in which I'm going to show you this makeup look which I'm wearing right now. So which is like a very wearable brown smoky eyes, which is like so easy peasy. So you don't really need like too many products to create this eye makeup look. So yeah, if you want to know like how I got this look, then just keep on watching the video. Firstly, I'm going to start my makeup with the Glenmark Aloe Vera Cream. This is my moisturizer that I use on my regular basis. I'm taking quite a bit of amount of moisturizer and I'm using that on my skin. I'm not using any primer, guys, so I'm using a shed loads of moisturizer on my skin. And remember, moisturizer is the key. Never skip that. Then I'm taking my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is a Longwear one, guys. It stays on for super long time and it has got that radiant finish. It has got 33 shades, so getting a shade match is easy. It doesn't dry out quickly, so you can take some good time for blending, and it glides on smoothly on skin. And I'm blending all that out with a damp beauty sponge as usually. Now I'm taking up this concealer. I think it's the shade NC40. That's a MAC palette, and I'm using that on my eyes to remove the discoloration from my eyelid area. You can also use a eyeshadow base if you have, and in case if you don't have an eyeshadow base, you can use any concealer on top of your eyes to actually remove that discoloration. And now I'm taking that powder over there. It's actually just a pale eyeshadow from MAC, guys. It's called Rice Paper, and I'm just using that to set that concealer in place, just like a powder. You can even take a loose powder or any matte eyeshadow that doesn't have any color to cover that up. Now I'm taking a warm brown eyeshadow, that's actually cream eyeshadow, and I'm placing that close to my lash line, and later I'm going to blend that out with the Vega brush. Yes, that's a Vega brush, guys, and I'm blending all that warm eyeshadow. I'm not taking a dark brown eyeshadow, guys, because I don't want this look to be like super intensified dark. I just want it to be like very subtle wearable brown. And then I'm taking that eyeshadow, which is actually called Swiss Chocolate from MAC, and I'm using a 217 MAC blending brush, and I'm blending that on my crease to give a depth and definition to my eyes. You can also take a bronzer instead if you have a bronzer, but make sure that it has at least a bit of warm undertones to it. Now I'm taking an other eyeshadow which is actually called Embark from MAC. It's a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm placing that on the lid area. I'm not taking too much of the eyeshadow, guys. I'm just taking a tad bit amount and I'm placing that on the lid. And if you feel like you need like more coverage, you can always go and build it up. So at start, just take little amount of product, so that will be easy for you to know what actually works for your skin tone. If you feel like you can actually take up little more darkness on your eyes, you can always go and take little more product and then use it more. So remember, building is the key in makeup. and I'm removing the excess part over there with just a Q-tip. And I'm taking a clean fluffy blending brush and I'm blending on the crease once again to just get a good finish over there. Now I'm taking this Essence black kajal and I'm actually lining my top lash line very close to my lash line. I'm not again applying too much, guys. I'm just taking quite a bit less amount and I'm blending all that out with an angular brush. Now I'm taking the MAC gel eyeliner in shade Black Track. And that brush, the cute pink brush, is actually from Sigma, guys. When I ordered a couple of brushes, I got that as a complimentary. And I'm lining again that one on the previous kajal, and I'm blending again that with an angular brush. So here, if you observe, I'm layering products, guys. I have applied a kajal and then I am layering that with a gel eyeliner. So again, I'm going with another coat because I feel like I can take up more intensity. So always remember, building is the key in makeup. And again, I'm blending that out with an angular brush. Now I am spraying some MAC Fix Plus on a sponge and I'm using this concealer. That is the KKW Concealer. Oh my god, I am so much in love with the packaging, guys. It has got a very cute packaging and I'm applying that on the like areas like under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on all my high points where I need to highlight. That concealer is so creamy, guys. It actually gives a medium coverage, but you can use a little more if you feel like you want a little more coverage. You can always go and build it up, and it really blends out like a dream again. I am so much in love with this concealer at the moment. Now I'm setting all that concealer in place with a loose powder, and that is from Krylon. I prefer to use like loose powder because I'm actually using a foundation and concealer that gives pretty much decent coverage. So if I use a compact powder, my makeup will my makeup will look cakey, guys. So that's the reason I prefer using loose powders instead. Now I'm taking MAC bronzer and I am actually contouring my nose. That brush is from Urban Decay, guys. That is actually an eyeshadow brush, but it is pretty good to be used even as a contour brush for your nose. I really love it. And I think if you're a beginner, this is one brush that you can handle very easily, guys. You have to check it out. And I'm also contouring my cheeks with blush brush. I'm not going too much with the contouring, guys. I just want to be like subtle. Then I'm taking that eyeshadow which is called Embark from MAC. It's a dark brown eyeshadow, and that brush is from Sigma. That is a waterline brush, and I'm lining my bottom waterline with that brush, guys. This is one trick that you have to try out, guys. Even if you use a kajal, use a powder eyeshadow on below that and you can instantly see a glam look to the eyes. Now I'm taking the same Essence kajal and I'm using that on my waterline just as a kajal. Now I'm taking my Loreal Brow Artist Kit to fill in my brows. Sorry, that kit is actually a bit messy right now. And I'm taking that spoolie brush which is from ELF, brand ELF. It has got angular brush on the other end. And I'm filling in my brows with that brush, and in between I am also brushing my hair so that I can get to see the exact a neat look, and if I feel like I need to fill in more, and I'm again going with the powder and I'm filling in it. Now I'm mixing those two shades from MAC, which is called Rice Paper, and I'm not really sure what the shade name is, that gold color, but I'll leave all the shade details in the description box below. And I'm mixing those two shades and I'm using that as my brow bone highlighter, guys. I'm not using a compact powder here because I'm going matte with my eyes. I just want a little bit of shimmer over there, but you can also go with matte if you prefer, but shimmer looks more good, I feel, for this look. And I'm taking my MAC mascara, the Inextreme Dimension Mascara, and I'm using that on my top and bottom lashes. And never forget to use mascara on your bottom lashes, guys. It really makes a huge difference, and it is an important step that you have to put in mind when you're doing your mascara. Now I'm taking this lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Katheryn. I'm taking a lip brush and I'm first outlining my lips so that I can get a more neat finish with that. And later I'm taking that color and filling all my lips with the same color. It's actually a matte formula, so if you have like super dry lips, just go and exfoliate them and use a lip balm underneath so that you can get more neat finish with that. But I really love the color and the texture of these lipsticks, guys. Now I'm going to complete the look using the eyelashes. Those lashes are from Kiss, from a brand called Kiss. I'm really in love with those lashes. Now I'm taking that highlighter that is called Impropper Copper from MAC. That is basically a cream color base. So you can use it as a highlighter or just like a base before applying your eyeshadow. So it's like a multi-purpose product, guys. And I'm applying that on all the high points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, or like on my cheekbones, and then on my cupid's bone and my chin. Now I'm taking this powder highlighter, that's again from MAC, and it's called Soft and Gentle, and I'm placing that on all the areas where I have applied the previous highlighter. So if you observe again, I'm basically layering the products. So first I've applied a cream and then I'm using a powder on top of that. Now I'm taking this blush, which is called Sunbasque from MAC. So it's a beautiful warm peachy color, and I'm really in love with this blush, guys. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you like this video, and in case if you do so, please don't forget to hit that like button over there, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, which I'll be leaving down there in the description box below, so that you can get to know more about me. And yeah, if you want to know like all the product details that I've used in this video, also do head over to the description box. So yeah, we'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Have a great day till then. Bye.